Have you ever looked at a shape and thought, how can I find the perimeter when not all the side lengths are given? Don't worry. Today we're going to explore a clever method that helps you solve this kind of problem without needing every single measurement. Let's begin. To find the perimeter of any figure, the general rule is, add up all the lengths of the sides of the figure. However, in this particular problem, we're only given the lengths of 3 sides. At first glance, it might seem impossible to find the perimeter, but with a bit of strategic thinking, we'll see it's actually very doable. Let's approach the problem step by step. Let's label the corners of the figure as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and lastly, this as H. So the perimeter of this figure will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. First, we'll focus on the horizontal sides, that is AB, CD, EF, and GH. Then we'll look at the vertical ones, which is BC, DE, FG, and HA. One horizontal side, that is GH, is clearly labeled as 6 meters. Now, although we don't know the lengths of the individual horizontal segments on the top side, but can you observe something? All those little line segments, AB, CD, and EF, all add up perfectly from left to right, just like the bottom side, GH. That means their total length must also be 6 meters. Even though we don't know each individual segment's length, it doesn't matter, because we only need their sum to find the perimeter. So GH is 6 meters, and the combined length of AB plus CD plus EF is also 6 meters. Now, adding the 2 horizontal portions together, one at the bottom and one formed by the combined smaller segments, we get a total horizontal length of 12 meters. Let's put it here. Now, let's move on to the vertical sides. We know side FG is 4 meters, and side BC is 3 meters. Those are straightforward. But we still need to account for 2 more vertical sides, HA and DE, and thus, here we run into some overlap. Let's label the unknown length DE as X. Now, let's draw a line parallel to CD from point E touching side BC and HA like this. Let's label this point as I and this as J. This is X meter, so this has also become X meters. That means the remaining portion BI must be 3 minus X. Thus, side JA also become 3 minus X, and side HJ as 4 meters. Therefore, the total length of side HA is HJ plus JA, which is 4 meters plus 3 meters minus X. That simplifies to 7 meters minus X. Now, let's list out the vertical segments again. BC is 3 meters, DE is X meters, FG is 4 meters, and HA is 7 meters minus X. Adding them together, we get sum of all vertical sides, which is 3 plus X plus 4 plus 7 minus X. Plus X and minus X cancel each other out, leaving us with 3 plus 4 plus 7, which equals 14 meters. It might have seemed complicated at first, but did you notice the elegance in it? The variable X cancels itself out, and we're left with only known values. So now we have total horizontal length as 12 meters and total vertical length as 14 meters. Adding both gives us the total perimeter of the figure. 12 meters plus 14 meters, which is 26 meters. So, even without knowing every side individually, we found the total perimeter by being strategic. The unknowns canceled themselves out, and we were left with a clean and complete answer. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more brain-teasing math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.